Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix wireless charger not charging. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If your wireless charger isn't charging your device, then what you can do is first check the basics. Ensure the compatibility, confirm your device supports wireless charging and that the charger is compatible with the phone. Place your phone correctly on the charging pad. The charging coil in the device must align with the charger's coil. Take off the thick or metallic phone cases, credit cards or other items that may interfere with the wireless charging process. Number 2 is to inspect the wireless charger. Make sure the charger is plugged into a functional power source. Try a different outlet or USB adapter. Check the charger's cable or adapter for damage. Replace them if needed. Clean the charger and your phone's back surface to remove dirt or debris that may interfere with charging. Number 3 is to check your phone settings. Some devices requires wireless charging to be enabled in settings. Ensure your device's software is up to date, as update may fix bugs related to charging. Reboot your phone to clear temporary glitches. Test with other devices as well. Place a different compatible device on the charger to see if it works. Use a different wireless charger to determine if the issue is with the charger or your phone. So that's a couple of things that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.